Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is April the 29th, 2025, and we're taking a look at our Thai dwarf mulberries. Okay, so they've fruited already, and so what I'd like to do is take and cut these guys back a bit, but we're going to go ahead and clone these and propagate the heck out of the Thai dwarf mulberry. This one I'm going to propagate a bit, but definitely this one over here because it has these long reaching branches that it just needs to be mitigated. Let's go look at the one up front. Now here's the one we have up front. Obviously it's getting kind of long and tall, and if we get a good wind, I have a feeling these would bust and break and fall all over the place. So we're gonna go ahead and propagate, and I'll show you how to do that now. All right, we have to start off with our pots. All I have right here is Florida sugar sand in these pots. We want to go ahead and get them good and wet for starters. Now we're going to get our specimens. We've already watered in the pots, so they're setting right now. We're going to go ahead and cut using our snips over here, the specimens. Then we're going to go ahead and score the bottoms in 3 locations and then dip those in rooting powder, and then we'll shove them into the holes that we create in our pots. So let's get that going. Here it really doesn't matter how you do your snips. You just basically, we're gonna trim pretty low, so we'll go like right there. It's only a few feet off the ground if you'll look. Not bad. So I'm gonna snip these and probably snip this one a little bit lower. Snip this one too. Now that's about what I want that to look like right now. And then I'll gather these up, snip them down further, and we'll start putting them into the pots. Alright, so I have this Bond Tone 2 rooting powder. This is what I'm going to use. What we'll do is first we'll poke a few holes in our pot, right? Now I'll show you what we do with this thing. Now we basically just take this razor and we go like this. Just like that. Just want to get the cambium exposed. Maybe I'll do it again. Right. Now you can do that and then dip it in the rooting powder. So we'll go ahead and that's what it's going to look like. Shove it in the hole and then pinch around the hole, and that's it. We'll do this whole lot of pots this way and we'll see what we come up with. All right, folks, here we are finished. I'm just going to water these in, and in a few weeks and months I'll just keep checking on them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel grow, and stay tuned because I want to show you the success ratio of all of these different clones right here of the Thai dwarf mulberry. Have a great day.